In some households, they have some pretty nice hinges in their kitchens that have soft close features. Now here's a door right here that has hinges on it that they not only self-close, but they soft close. Look at that. Nice and quiet. Blum calls that Blum motion, that soft close feature built that's integrated right into the hinge. Well, you also might have this hinge. Here's one made by Blum. It's self-closing, and it doesn't have the soft close integrated into it. So this is what you get. It's kind of loud. That is a self-close hinge. So in your household, if you have that, is there a device that you can add onto the hinge or onto the cabinet so that you can have a soft close feature? Well, there is, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Right there is the square hole in the hinge arm that I was talking about. And this soft close device snaps right onto that. I'm going to make this look easy, but it can be kind of tricky. There, it's on. Simple as that. Very easy to put it on. And now, look how it has the really nice soft close instead of slamming the way a self-close goes. Watch the plunger coming back out. So there is this soft close add-on device for a Blum clip-top hinge if you have that square hole. So what are you going to do if you don't have a Blum hinge with the square hole in the hinge arm? Or you have some other brand hinge? Well then, there's another device, and this is it. This adds on either to your face frame or the inside of your frameless cabinet, and it becomes the soft close unit. And you just add it to the cabinet and not to the hinge. Let me show you how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is take the door off. It just makes it easier to put this Blum motion device on. Now you'll notice on the Blum motion device, the soft close device, there's a lip on the edge that will catch on the front edge of your cabinet or on the front edge of your face frame. You just press it against that and slide it to the location that you want it in, and then screw it on. Now this is a tiny cabinet. I'm only going to use one of those devices, but if you had a big cabinet, you might use 2, 3, or even 4. And that applies also to the ones that attach to the hinge. If you have a big cabinet, you might have to use one on every hinge if the door is quite big. So anyway, there is the attachment of that soft close device. And we hook the door back on. Now we're assuming you didn't have a hinge that would work with, that would accommodate the other type of soft close device. That's pretty nice. Nice add-on feature with a soft close. Can use it with any hinge. As long as the hinge already has a self-close feature, then you can use this soft close add-on. And it can go anywhere. You could put it on the bottom, or up here, or here, wherever you want. I just decided to put it in the middle. So there is the soft close add-on. Watch the plunger. These devices, the soft close devices, they're available for straight arm hinges like you see here on this little cabinet, or for half cranked hinges like this one, full cranked hinges. They're also available for wide angle hinges like this one. And you can buy the type that are mounted in the cabinet here for the face frame and for box style cabinets, so that you can use them with other hinges besides the ones that are made by Blum. So there's a broad range of these Blum motion soft close devices available for you to use in your cabinet. So you can have a nice soft close door like that. I hope you found this short video useful, and if you did, give her the thumbs up, and share it with your friends, and subscribe.